There you go. You stay up there.
I cannot reach it.
Yes, you can. It'll come. It'll come.
There you go.
See, I told you.
She wants more, John.
I wish you would catch it.
You gotta get up in there real hard.
Yeah, well, yeah.
Stick your tongue out.
Don't lick it.
Get up there.
It's not gonna bite you. Closer, up in there further.
I can't.
Yeah, you gotta turn your head sideways.
There you go.
All right.
You ain't in there far enough. You gotta get back in there. Get down under it. Down. There you go.
Are you getting any? Oh no, she's gonna.
Oh!